All right, look at this. Super open. 9-foot ceilings, gorgeous laminate flooring, gray tone, super modern. Recessed lights, pendant lights, quartz countertops, stainless steel, really nice backsplash. Pantry, rollouts in the drawer, 42-inch uppers, stainless steel fridge. So this is a 2-bedroom plus a den. This would be bedroom 1. To find a single-story corner unit under $500K, nice with this walk-in closet with a window for natural light. This keeps going off. So laundry room, laundry sink, and this bonus nook, which would be cool for a second fridge. Tankless water heater. Three-quarter bath. So this is the den. Now, KB did offer this as a 3-bedroom floor plan. Really nice blinds. This one there is an automatic on a remote. So let me head out here. So a lot of artificial grass. There's another home just like this that hit the market slightly higher, just by maybe $5,000, but it does not have this. Corner lot, elevated. I'm telling you, this feels like a park. And then super zen if this was running right now. And then you have the blinds for privacy. I'm telling you, this is an amazing house. This is not going to last long. And we'll head into the primary. You do have a closet here. So this bedroom's not humongous, but this home is so nice, I don't think anyone's really going to mind. It feels like it's never been lived in. So not a humongous walk-in closet, but all right. Anyhow, you know what to do. Jeff Nix, homesandinspirada.com. We have every listing from every brokerage all on our site, homesandinspirada.com. If you want to see this home or any other property, just reach out to us. We'll have a link to the details of this home in the comments. Thank you for watching.